First job today is a commercial space where I have a kitchen exhaust fan. We're gonna check to find out why is it not working. The restaurant did have to close over the weekend due to the fan is busted, so we're gonna check it out together, so come along. So this is it right here. This fan is done. We're gonna give them a quote for a replacement for this one. What I'm gonna do right now is to get my tools, and I'm gonna open this thing up, see if I have a model number, serial model number for this unit. Yeah. All right. So now we take the housing for the fan. Come on, man. All right. So we take the housing off for the fan now. So now what we're gonna do? Good enough. I think this for the blower ventilation. Okay, that's good. We good. So that's mean this system came from Granger Dayton. That's a Granger brand. Wheel 15 inches. All right. So model number, and I don't know. All right. So here the belt is all busted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go downstairs in the kitchen and we're gonna turn it on. So this right here need a new canvas is busted, so we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna turn on the fan and we're gonna see what's going on with this thing, if it just need a belt or this whole thing need to be thrown in the trash. All right, the belt is busted. Let me see what size belt it is. So I already turned the power off, so it is safe for me to touch it. It is a 4L 350 belt. Should have that in the truck. Customer was saying that the unit keep tripping the breaker, so I'm still going to test the voltage, see if I got any volt coming upstairs, so when I go downstairs I know if I have to go to the circuit breaker or not. If this thing need a fan motor, I'm still gonna talk to them and get in a replacement for this system. Thinking about long-term wise, we think it's best to get a new system than short-term, just to change the fan. As you see, the fan, it doesn't look like it's an old fan. It looks like it's been changed a few years ago. This is a single-phase system. The wires are really small. I'm not sure how many amp this system is, but these wires really small. And as you see, we got two fuses. Here's two fuses that we got here. So first we're gonna check the voltage coming from downstairs. So these are the two top one. They always put the top one for the voltage coming from the building, but I technically don't go with that. I just pretty much follow the lead of the wire. So coming from downstairs, we had no voltage. All right, so that's mean the breaker been tripped. So now we're gonna do, before we even do that, leave from here, we're gonna check the fuse just to make sure the fuse itself is good. So how you check the fuse, you don't have to take it out, you just have to check from top to bottom. Top to bottom. All right, so the fuse are good. So we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna get some turn on the fan. Pretty sure the switch is off. It doesn't matter, you just any one of these wires, you could check the lead that coming from the unit itself, but any one of them, it doesn't matter. So here's it. All right, let's see if you can see it. This is what it is. We're gonna turn the switch on and we're gonna see. Okay, so we got a 32 amps, 9 amps. Alright, so the unit is running. We got amp. We got the amperage is fine. The blower work, the fan work. So you need a belt and you need a new canvas. And as you see, the amperage that we're pulling is a 5 amps, 6 amps. So we're gonna replace the belt and find a way to screw this up better and see if that's all the issue that we have. All right, you take the belt off, you just push it to the one side and you just push forward, and when you put it on, you do the same thing. So I'm gonna go to the truck, try to find this belt. A lot of belts. So what I'm trying to do is to find a belt right now, so we can be able to see if we can make this a quick repair. I'm gonna replace the belt, but I'm still gonna get them a code for a replacement. So what we're gonna do here, the belt is too tight. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to adjust the motor, like bring it up a little bit so you get a little more room, because it's too tight. It's way too tight. So this, now we need to raise this up. As you see, the wheel be able to move right now, the fan blade, so it is much better. Before it was too tight, and that would have the fan motor over amp. All right, so now gotta lift this up. So the trick is to get this screw, this nut in the bottom, to come up. Oh my lord, it's gonna be a little challenge. So now make our adjustment. All right. So what we have here, right? We're gonna have to do a few things. We're gonna have to replace the canvas because the canvas is busted. But the reason why the canvas is busted, as you can see on the floor, there's two different sides. The fan is lower than the hood that coming from downstairs. So in order to fix this, we're gonna have to put some higher spring bracket, vibration isolator on the bottom to raise it up. So therefore, it could be able to sit on the right level, so we can be able to put in the canvas. All right, so it doesn't break going forward. So I'm gonna measure it up to see what size canvas we need, what size vibration isolator. Alright, so this unit seems to be working. So I'm gonna put the cover on, and we're gonna give the price out a new replacement for them. But for the moment, the unit is running. So I gotta get the weight, what weight this unit is, so I could know what size vibration isolator needed. We're all done today, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pack it up, and as I said, we're gonna give the customer a estimate for a replacement. As you see how close it is to the apartment building here, they're complaining that they're making a lot of noise. It's really not making much noise right now, other than just the fan that the unit is running. So therefore, we're gonna get them an estimate for replacement and some adjustments. So, all right, thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one. All right, peace and love.